Hi everyone, let's make this 2 alternating color square knot friendship bracelet. Now we've done 2 color friendship bracelets before, but the colors run near each other as you can see. In this way, they're going to alternate. So what you're going to need is 1mm nylon string. We have 2 colors, so you'll need in one color, you'll need 2 pieces that are 35 inches or 89 centimeters. Another 2 in a different color that are also 35 inches or 89 centimeters. And then you'll have one piece that is about 12 inches or 30 centimeters, and that's going to be the piece that closes it up and seals it all together. You'll also need scissors, a lighter, and tape. So you'll have these 4 pieces that are of equal size, and we'll start by right at about 4 or 5 inches. We'll tie a knot, and we're gonna untie this knot later on, so I'm gonna make it a very loose knot. I just want these strings to stay together and stay kind of in order, and then we'll start making our square knots. Okay, so we'll tape it down. Okay, so we'll take, I want to start with the light purple, so I'm gonna set the light purple on the outside that way, and the dark purple is gonna be in the center. Okay, I'll tape it down so it stays nice and still. And to make the square knots, and I'm going to do them slowly at first, just in case square knots are new. So I'll start by laying this left side over the 2 center pieces. In this case, right now, the dark purple is in the center. And I'll take this other piece, and it's going to go under everything and come out through this loop, and I'll pull. And then you'll do the right side, cross it over, lay it over the center, and the other side will go under everything and come out through this loop. And that's like a complete square knot. We'll do it again on this side. Under everything. Okay, and we're going to keep going. And we're going to do 8 complete square knots before we change color. Now we're going to change the color. We'll go from making these square knots in the light purple to making them with these strings of the dark purple. So how we do that is we just open this up and bring down these light purple strings, and I'm gonna tape them down close together as I can, and I'll do it right around here because I want it to stay close. And then I'll use the dark purple to go ahead and make another 8 square knots. So just lay it across like that, go underneath, come out that loop. And you do have to, don't go too fast and don't go too tight with this first knot because you want it to start from as close to the end of the purple as possible. Okay. And now we'll do 7 more. So we're going to do 8 complete square knots before we change back to the light purple. Okay, so that's 8 complete square knots done. And now we're going to switch back to the light purple. So we take this center, the light purple, and open it up. Open it. And take the dark purple now and lay it down the center. It's going to now become the center string that we work the light purple around. And we go ahead and make another 8 square knots. And we're actually going to make, we're going to continue to go back and forth, alternating square knots in light purple and dark purple until we complete 7 sections. So I'm just going to continue with these square knots. I'll probably speed this up a bit. Okay, and we're gonna switch colors one more time. I'll see you right when we get to the end. Okay, so I've worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've worked all the way up to what will be the last section in light purple, but I want to show one last color change before we finish. So we're going to change now again from dark purple to working with the light purple. So we're going to open up the light purple, pull this straight down, get it as straight as it can be. And just finish with 8 square knots in light purple. So now the bracelet is complete. We just have a few finishing touches. For starters, we need to finish this off by clipping off the ends of this light purple. Okay. And on this side, we have the knot that we now have to undo. And when we undo this, we're going to basically have the same setup that we just finished with. So we just cut these ends. So now that's really done. So now with the measurements that I used in the beginning, I am ending up with quite a bit of excess, so I could have used less. But if you wanted a bigger result, because I believe this is about 6.5 inches, then that length might be perfect. So, but now at this point, I'm going to even out the ends a bit so that, and then I'm going to lay this down. We'll tape this down. So now we'll weave about 4 or 5 square knots over the loose ends. Cut these ends and melt it to finish. Pull that closed. Then we'll tie some knots at the end of these hanging strings. I'll do 1, 2 should be enough. Same thing with these. And this bracelet is complete now. You see we have our alternating colors. And there you go. This is a really pretty pattern. It's still very basic, yet it really takes this square knot friendship bracelet and levels it up by alternating the colors. I hope you like this little pattern. I hope you'll give it a try, and thanks so much for watching.